Kia ora koutou, apparently recording is in progress. Here we go, here's a recap of some of the little bit of mahi we did tonight. First of all, thank you everyone for coming along and making it fun, making it what it was. Yeah, I think it's just like we all contributed. Remember to come and join our, you guys that were there, the page when I send it out, He whakarongo noa, which means we're all in this together. So don't join that page and do nothing, because when you wake up in the morning, you might have fallen out. I know, you're welcome, but kahera or someone might have thrown you off. So if you join that page, you've got to get amongst it. This might be our first wero challenge, and if I share it on TikTok, well, it's their good luck and they can see some too, but it's about actions speak louder than words. I'm just going to give us some simple actions. Don't worry about it, it's somewhere to start, but make sure your actions line up with your kōrero. Ka pai, here we go, new word, kupu ho, kupu ho. Listen up. Whakarongo. Come on, get into it. Whakarongo. Good, looking in. Titiro. Ka pai, get everything moving. It's a living language. Looking, titiro. Same or similar. Rite tonu. Rite tonu. Different. Rerekē. Come on. Rerekē. From the top, those 5. New word. Kupu ho. Listen up. Whakarongo. Looking in. Titiro. Same or similar. Yeah. Rite tonu. Different. This guy's a bit different. Rerekē. Follow your hands. Rerekē. Not the camera. Ka pai. I have a question. Pātai, tāku. Pātai, tāku. I'm going to move along. Do you understand? Mārama. Get with it. Mārama. Follow me. Do you understand? Yes. I. Talk to the hand. I. Simultaneous. Synchronized swimming. Kao. Confused? Yes. Rangirua. Cool. That's it. Speak to me. Kōrero mai. Kōrero mai. Ka pai. Don't be afraid to speak. Kōrero mai. I couldn't hear you. Could you repeat the question, sir? Anō. Anō. Cool. Hurry up. We want a short video. Anō. Namely, such as some people in here have been playing up tonight. Ara, warena, kahira, Amelia, Hartley, Hiniora, let's go. Ka pai, either or, rānei, rānei, he kapu tī, he kapu mairo, he waireka, rānei. Give it heaps, kia kaha, kia kaha, kia kaha. Okay, that's our first challenge. I'm going to put it in our page, he whakarongo noa. If you join that page, I want to see your video. Yeah! Let's go. Rerekē. Get it done. Do the mahi. Get the treats. Thanks for joining me tonight. I'll see you guys back on Tuesday. And yeah, I'm sorry about all the people who tried to get in and the link didn't play up. Remember, it's capitals when you sign in. Te TIHI 2025. Just one word. Te TIHI 2025. I'm supposed to be working out in the morning. Don't tell my subconscious. See you in the morning or see you on Tuesday. TIHI. Mauri ora. Boom. Way you go. Get practicing.